how to hide comments in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide comments in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open up the browser and head over to Notion webpage. Once you're on the home page, click the Login button. If you haven't logged in recently, Notion gives you several options, but for this guide, we're going to use Continue with Google since it's quick and easy. Just pick your Google account and you'll land on your Notion homepage. Here, all your pages and workspaces will be neatly displayed. Choose the specific page where you want to hide comments. Once you're inside that page, look at the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the page menu. From the menu, select Customize Page. This is where you can tweak various settings, including how comments appear. Find the inclined comments section. By default, Notion is set to Show Comments. To hide them, change the setting to Minimal. This will keep your page clean and distraction-free without actually deleting any comments. You can still bring them back later by switching the setting again if you need to review feedback. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've hidden comments in Notion and made your workspace a lot cleaner. Thanks for watching.